guys, I am going to pop in here and show you how to print your sewing PDF pattern at 100%. I think it's confusing for a lot of people, and I just wanted to have a permanent short video as a resource if you're struggling. I launched the LP record bag pattern today, and I've already gotten a few emails saying, oh, this isn't printing at the right size. That's why I always put a 1-inch box in there, and I give the measurements for the item in case you want to draw it out. But that's frustrating because you're paying for a pattern, you want the pattern piece to work. So let me switch to screen view and I will show you how to do it. I downloaded this pattern and I'm going to open it, right click, open with. What you should have is Adobe Acrobat DC. You can download Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. That's the best way to open a pattern. If you don't have those and you're using Chrome or Edge, let me show you that way. This is how it will open. You'll come up to your printer icon and click, and it's going to open like this. You need to click more settings. This over here, this is the super important part, scale. It should be at custom and 100%. What you don't want is fit to printable area, and you don't want fit to paper. See how the size drastically changes? You need to have it at custom and make sure this number here is 100. Let's open it another way. Okay, I'm going to right click, open with Microsoft Edge. Come up here to your printer icon, and this is going to open like this. See this more settings here on the left? Click that. Make sure that the scale, you see this percent here, you click it and this is 100. Sometimes this will be 125 and it's going to just be huge. You don't want that. Oh shoot, I think I just printed that. So, more settings, letter, I always take this off and I click down here and make sure this is 100. Okay? So let me cancel that. That's what you want. Now, when I open this with Adobe Acrobat, this is what it looks like. There are 16 pages. I'm going to come up to File, I hit Print, and you can see the entire outline of the tile on this printer page. And the reason I create it like that is so it will fit on printer paper in any country. So the most important section here is that this custom scale is clicked and it's at 100%. If you say fit to page, the size and shape is totally different and it's not going to be correct. The pattern will not work for you if you do that. Take the time to come in and make sure custom scale is hit and it's at 100%. If you click through, you can see I also have a 1-inch box here that you can check and measure to be sure you printed it correctly. I hope this helps. Thanks so much.